My name is Amisha and in today's video I'm going to be reading few very interesting social science topics. So let's get started. Looking at our world, we know that the earth is round and has water bodies, mountains, deserts, etc. on it. However, since the earth is so big, it is difficult to imagine how it looks from far away. This is why we use globes and maps to help us understand the shape and features of our earth better. So now in this, our earth is so big. How can we imagine how does Africa look? How does the North America look? What does the map of Australia look? So that's why we have globes and maps to help us find out. Let's read ahead. Globes. A globe is a model of the earth. Like the earth, it is round in shape but much smaller in size. So then we can easily see different parts of the earth. We can also move a globe round and round so that it rotates just like the earth does. A globe can be held in the hand or put on a table. We can clearly see land and water bodies, rivers, sea, oceans, etc. Globes help us to see what the earth looks like, but there are some problems with using it. The globe is a model of the earth, not so big, not so small. It is of medium size. So, there is a globe and you can rotate it round and around and round like the earth rotates so that you can see all the contents on the globe. Now let's see what difficulties occur while using a globe. A part. We cannot see the entire earth at a single time on them. Globes show only half of the earth at a time. Oh no, our globe is so big. We cannot see the whole earth at a time. It only shows half of it at a time. When you rotate it, you can see the other half, but you can't see it fully. Let's read the other one. The earth is very big and globes are small. This is why globes do not show places in great detail. Oh no, we cannot learn on the globe in great detail. Why? Because the earth is very big, so there is lots of detailed information in it. But the globe is tiny, small. So there is not much detailed information. Let's read the last one. They are difficult to carry. When we need to look at places on the earth in detail, we use maps instead of globes. They are difficult to carry. They are very big. They are bulky. They are heavy. You cannot take your globe to school. It will just remain at the table of your home. And now this is not real. If you don't have a globe, then okay, this is not real. If you have a globe, then okay, this is real. But I am just telling you an example. Globes are very bulky. They are very heavy. If you want to move it around, you can hold it in two hands and go around in your home. But you cannot take it to school. You cannot take it to the mall. You cannot take it to the museum. You cannot take it to a restaurant. You cannot take it anywhere except to other rooms in your house. So now let's read about maps. A map is a drawing of the entire earth or a part of it. It can be small or large. It gives more details than a globe can. It is also easier to carry. So depending on your need, you can use maps of the entire world or more detailed maps showing only one city or a colony. So now maps, they are a drawing of the earth or a part of it. Like when we make drawings, like we make a scenery just like this. So we make it on a flat page of paper, sheet of paper, right? So just like that, there are printers that print the parts of India, the whole earth and also more on some paper, and then they are sold for 10, 5, 1, 2 rupees in the markets. Now let's read ahead. Maps are drawn on paper and other materials. As I said, some maps are quite large and can be hung on a wall. Such maps are called wall maps. Now, wall maps, you can hang them on the wall. So, you can put a nail in the wall and then hang a wall map on the wall right above your study table. So, whenever you want to see anything, you can see it in 1 second. A book of maps is called an atlas. Let us find out more about the different features of the earth that can be seen on maps and globes. A book of maps is called an atlas. Now, atlases are very thick and very heavy. I have one, but I don't have it right now over here. Or else I could show you. It feels like 10 kgs in my hand. So heavy and so many pages. About 1,000 maybe. Not even 1,000. Maybe less. But whatever I know, it is really heavy and very thick. Landforms. The surface on the earth is made up of land and water. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water, while the remaining is covered with land. A very large mass of land is called a continent. So now the earth, 70% of it is covered with water and the rest 30% is covered with land. So much difference. Now you might be wondering, how does the water not drip out of the earth? That is because of gravitational force. Earth has a very strong gravitational force which holds the water up. Now, let's see. As I already told you, all the oceans in descending order. So, I have numbered it down over here. You can see. Number 1 is Asia. From biggest to smallest in continents. Like I told you, oceans. So these are not the oceans, but these are biggest to smallest in continents. So as all of you know, the biggest is Asia and the smallest is Australia. So now let's read what comes in between. Number 1, Asia. Number 2, Africa. Number 3, North America. Number 4, South America. Number 5, Antarctica. Number 6, Europe. And number 7, the last one, Australia. So now, you can also learn this. If you want, you can repeat the video, write it down, learn it. And you can tell your parents, they will be very impressed and happy of you. So now, I am going to repeat them once more again. The biggest is Asia. Second largest, Africa. Third largest, North America. Fourth largest, South America. Fourth largest, South America. And fifth largest, Antarctica. Second smallest, Europe. And the smallest, Australia. And also one more fun fact. Did you know that Australia is a whole entire country itself? Now, as you know, Australia, this is a continent, right? But there is no countries in it. There are cities and towns too, but no countries. This itself is a whole entire country. Very interesting, right? Alright, that is all of my topics. Bye everyone. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.